Hello, Junior 5. Our lesson today, magnetism. Discovery of magnets. It was discovered from 2000 years ago. It was discovered by one of the ancient Greeks. It was discovered in area called Magnesia. Types of magnets. Natural magnet, a black rock, one of iron ores called magnetite. Again, natural magnet, black rock, one of iron ores called magnetite. The second type, artificial or man-made magnets, like ring magnet, bar magnet, magnetic needle, and horseshoe magnets, or U-shaped magnets. So, there are two types of magnet, natural magnet and artificial magnets. Types of materials according to their ability to be attracted. Magnetic materials like nickel knife, cobalt coin, steel spoon, iron nail, steel paper clip, and non-magnetic materials, paper, glass, plastic, rubber, and wood. There are two types of materials according to their ability to be attracted into two types, magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials which are attracted to the magnet, iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. Non-magnetic materials, materials which are not attracted to the magnet, aluminium, copper, wood, glass, chalk, paper, plastic, and leather. So, two types of materials according to ability to be attracted to the magnet, magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are iron, steel, nickel, cobalt only. Non-magnetic materials like aluminium, copper, wood, glass, chalk, paper, plastic. Let's practice. Complete number 1. Copper is a material because it's not attracted to the magnet. The answer is copper is a non-magnetic material. Number 2. Cobalt is a material because it's attracted to the magnet. Cobalt is a magnetic material. Number 3. The magnetic is a black rock. Natural magnet is a black rock known as magnetite. Properties of the magnet. First, the magnet has two poles. Areas of magnet at which most of the magnetic attraction force concentrated or most powerful. So, the magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. These poles have the most powerful areas of the magnet. The second property of magnet, the freely suspended magnet always takes a fixed direction, north-south direction. North pole of the magnet points to north direction of the earth, and south pole of the magnet points to south pole of the earth. The third property of magnet, similar poles repel each other, while different or unlike poles attract each other. When you approach north pole of magnet to south pole of another magnet, they attract each other because they are unlike poles. When you approach north pole to another north pole of another magnet, they repel each other because they are like poles or similar poles. The magnet is surrounded by an area called magnetic field. The magnetic field space around the magnet in which the magnetic force appears. So the magnet can attract the objects where are in this space that called magnetic fields. If the objects are not in this space or far away from the magnet, so the magnet can't attract this object. Again, the magnetic field is a space or area around the magnet in which the magnetic force appears. So the magnet can or is able to attract the objects if the objects are in this space called magnetic field. Magnetic force. The ability of the magnet to attract the magnetic materials. Again, magnetic force, ability of the magnet to attract the magnetic materials. Magnetic force of the magnet is concentrated or most powerful at the two poles of the magnet and decreases gradually until it disappears at the middle. The magnetic force is invisible force. Think and answer. Complete. Number 1. The magnet has dot poles called dot pole and dot pole. The answer is the magnet has two poles called north pole and south pole. Number 2. Magnetic force concentrated at the two poles and it disappears in the middle. The freely suspended magnet always takes a fixed direction, which is north-south direction. Magnetic north pole points to north direction of the earth, while magnetic south pole points to south direction of the earth. Uses of magnet in our daily life. It's used in making the magnetic compass. Discovery of the magnetic compass. William Gilbert is English scientist who had discovered the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. It's used to identify or determine or know the mean for geographical directions. So the importance of compass: identify or determine or know the mean for geographical directions. The mean for geographical directions are north, south, east, and west. Compass consists of small light magnetic needle that can spin freely around its fixed axis.